What if I told you there was a way to earn around 5% annually on your money, essentially risk-free? Well, there is, and it's called a Treasury Bill or T-bill. Hey everybody, I'm Marco from NerdWallet's editorial team, and in today's video, I want to show you step-by-step how to buy a T-bill. I'll show you exactly how to do this through TreasuryDirect.gov and also through your traditional broker like a Charles Schwab, for example. Stick around to the end of the video where there's an even easier way to earn about 5.37% yield on your money with an atomic treasury account accessed through NerdWallet Plus. Let's get into it. So before I get into the live demos of buying these T-bills through TreasuryDirect.gov and then also Charles Schwab, we need to understand what a T-bill even is, okay? So T-bills are different from a high-yield savings account or a CD, a certificate of deposit at a bank, for example, in the fact that they are backed by the U.S. government, which is earning essentially a risk-free rate of return. So if the government doesn't hold up their end of the bargain, then we have bigger problems than earning that risk-free rate of return, right? So T-bills are also tax-exempt from state and local tax liabilities, which could appeal to people in high tax burden states such as New York or California. So with that little preface, let's get into TreasuryDirect.gov, and then I'll show you how to do this on Charles Schwab as well. Okay, so let's dive into the TreasuryDirect.gov portion of this video. This is a live demo. I'm actually logged in right here. When you set up your TreasuryDirect.gov account, that will take some time, but it's not that complicated. I skipped that portion just for brevity. What we're going to do is if you want to buy a T-bill, you're going to go to Buy Direct right here. And the next page you're going to see looks like this. So you're going to have different marketable securities. Remember, this video is about Treasury bills or T-bills, which are typically 4 to 52 weeks. So we have bills, we have notes, we have bonds, we have tips, we have FRNs. There's Series I bonds. There's a bunch of different stuff you can buy on this website directly from the government. For the sake of this video, we're going to click on bills. At this point, you're just going to scroll down and hit submit. Okay, so after you hit submit, you're going to see this page right here. You're going to see Buy Direct Treasury Bills. And then from here on out, you can see all the different terms and products that you have. So the term just means how long the Treasury bill is going to last until maturity. The auction date is when the rate is established, and then the issue date is the date at which the actual T-bill is issued, okay? So we have anywhere from 4 weeks all the way down to 52 weeks, as you can see right here. We'll just select the 52-week one, and we'll scroll down. You're going to see a field for purchase amount. So the nice thing about TreasuryDirect.gov is that you can buy in increments of $100. When it comes to a different brokerage, at least for Charles Schwab, you have to buy in increments of $1,000. So you put in the number here, you put in your source of funds, and then it'll ask you, do you want to schedule a reinvestment, okay? So it depends on if you want to roll this money over after the bill matures. If you want to do that, you can do that for up to 2 years. So if you choose a 52-week T-bill, you can do that a couple times, right? If you do a 4-week, it'll just keep doing it up to 2 years, or you can specify how many times, or you have to specify how many times you want to do it. If you press no, then the T-bill is going to mature, and then you're just going to realize whatever the yield was on that T-bill. So then all you have to do is scroll down, hit submit, and voila, there you go. You bought that T-bill. So that's TreasuryDirect.gov. Let's get into the Charles Schwab portion of the video right now. Okay, so let's log into Charles Schwab, and I'll show you exactly how to buy a T-bill using this platform. Once you're logged in, all you have to do is click on the Trade tab and then click on Bonds. So once you do that, you have this page right here called Invest in Bonds at Schwab. Okay, so you have all these different things that you can buy, but what you actually want to do is scroll down just a little bit, and if you look at the bottom left portion of the screen, you click on Treasury Auctions, where my cursor is. Once you do that, you can then zoom in, and then you have a couple different options here, okay? You have the ability to buy, and then it'll show you exactly when they mature. So in this case, you have ones that mature 1 month, 3 days from today. You have ones that mature 2 months, 1 day from today. And then you have something else right here that I'm not going to mention. But if you click on buy, it'll take you to this screen. And once you're on this screen, all you have to do is select the dollar amount that you want to buy. Remember, Schwab has a minimum of $1,000 up to $10 million available in $1,000 increments, okay? And then the same thing with TreasuryDirect.gov. You can choose to do an auto rollover or not. And then you can basically just close this out by hitting market order and then review order, and it'll take you to this next screen. So it'll tell you exactly what you're getting. You're choosing to buy $10,000 at market rate with a settlement date of September 3rd, 2024, with a maturity of October 1st, 2024. And then you can see when the auction date is, basically what kind of rate you're getting. You would then hit place order, and then you're done. You just bought $10,000 worth of T-bills on Charles Schwab. Okay, hopefully that was helpful to all of you. And now that I've actually shown you 2 ways to buy Treasury bills, both through TreasuryDirect.gov and also a traditional brokerage, I'm going to make your life even easier with this 3rd way. NerdWallet Plus is actually our own paid membership program. Okay, check this out. NerdWallet Plus offers members a lot of rewards and exclusive savings for just $49 a year, but my favorite feature is this treasury account offered through Atomic. The reason for that is because they're offering a super high yield at the time of this recording, especially if you live in a high tax burden state like New York or California. This will be a super added benefit to you. You don't have to lock your money up like with a traditional T-bill, and even better, you can access your funds anytime with no restrictions and withdrawals, so it's very liquid, which is great. So you remember when I said this would be the easiest option for getting your treasury bills? All you'll need to do is deposit money into your treasury account, then all of the work is done for you by Atomic, including purchasing treasury bills, holding them to maturity, and reinvesting newly issued T-bills. This makes sure your money keeps working hard for you with minimal effort on your part. Your Atomic Treasury account consists of an account managed by Atomic Invest LLC, an SEC-registered investment advisor. In exchange for the management, trading, and custody of treasury services, Atomic Invest charges an annual investment fee of 0.18%, which is accrued on a daily basis. So with all that being said, thanks for sticking with me through this Treasury Bill deep dive. I've dropped some links below if you want to read up on them a bit more, and if you want to try out NerdWallet Plus and take advantage of the treasury account option with Atomic that I mentioned, use the promo code YouTube when you sign up for NerdWallet Plus membership and score 20% off that $49 membership fee. Thanks so much for watching. And if you have a family member or friend that's interested in learning more about how to buy T-bills, share this video with them. Thank you so much.